In today's video, I'll show you on how you can cut model in multiple parts with connectors in Orca Slicer. So in that way, you will be able to connect the cut parts together. Now, if you're on the stage of your designing, most likely you already have your design right here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to import my design onto my plate on Orca Slicer. And from there, before, there used to be a button where you can click on the split to parts option. But as of right now, to do this, you then want to click or highlight your shape or your file. And from here, you then want to press Shift button on your keyboard and the C button. From there, it will take us to the cut functionality. In here, you can edit this, of course, the way you want to. So let's say that I want to cut my shape right above on the head right here. So of course, you then want to make sure to select the proper button. In this way, we'll be able to rotate it. If you click on the middle one, you'll be able to raise it up. And of course, you can do the same thing for the other buttons as well. So I'm going to tilt my shape right here into something like this. After adjusting this the way you want to, you also want to select the add connectors onto your cut functionality. And from there, you then want to select where you want to put your connector. So of course, you want to put this in the middle, and then you can edit out the style and the shape. Now, I suggest selecting the hexagon because you have 6 points, which will make your connection stronger. Of course, you can add depth into this. You can also edit out the shape and the rotation if you want to. But in my case, I'm fine with this connector right here. Click on the confirm connectors. And as of right now, you can see your connectors because we haven't placed or performed the cut yet. Just click on the perform cut to proceed. And from there, you will be able to see that your shape will be split into 2 functions. You have the middle part and you have the upper part. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.